I'm really excited today to show you our 7 ways to increase your profits. This is tip 1. Fit the hot and dry trap tundish to an internal or landlocked boiler. This tip can save you maybe as much as 3 or 4 hours of installation time, plus reduce the materials that you would normally use. So how would this work, saving you time and money? If you're swapping out an old vented cylinder for a combi boiler in an airing cupboard, or any other location where the boiler would be landlocked and you have access to a local waste or soil pipe, then fitting a hot and dry trap tundish becomes the most logical choice for you to make and will speed up your installation. When done correctly, this will save you time and therefore money and increase your profits. Or it might be the difference that wins you the job if you pass that saving on to your customer at the time of quoting. So rather than try and find a route out of the building with a pressure relief valve discharge, or have to fit an expensive heat rated condensate pump, you can simply fit Hotton below the boiler. Bring your D1 PRV into the top of tundish and then come out with the D2 and common up with the condensate pipe, running both of those to the local waste pipe. The piping route from the landlocked boiler can sometimes be really difficult otherwise and could result in you having to move furniture, taking up carpets and cutting joists. So using the Hotton one pipe solution versus running the discharge pipe to an external wall, this can also save you meters of expensive copper tubing, not to mention you will still have to clip this tube and then drill a hole through the external fabric of the building, sleeve and seal the hole and fit some sort of external termination, which may be up on the first floor or the attic level, and do all of that external work whilst working up a ladder. Having just one pipe to run the combined condensate and pressure relief valve to a waste pipe uses the minimal amount of copper pipe coming from the boiler. You can make a saving of maybe 30 to 50 pounds on materials alone using this tip. And don't forget that when using a Hotton tundish, you do not have to have a heat rated D2 pipe. The temperature drop through Hotton is as much as 20 degrees C. So the outgoing flow from Hotton is well within the capability of any waste pipe, including standard condensate pipe. As the hot and dry trap tundish will only cost you about £20, the saving on your hours of installation, depending on your hourly or daily rates, can be significant, and it allows you to complete the installation quicker. That's on top of the savings on the materials. A benefit for your customer is that you also then bring the point of visibility of the discharge pipe to inside the building and underneath the boiler, making the task of checking for faults developing really easy for your customer. Alternatively, they have to go outside the building and notice if there's any dripping there. And who would do that? With Hotton's unique open-sided design, it makes a simple task for the homeowner to check for the PRV discharge, and they can easily see inside the bowl, and it makes it obvious if something has happened and the water's been passing. No other dry trap tundish on the market has this patented feature. Of course, you will now realise that with one more upgrade, getting your customer to invest in the alarm unit, we can have an automated way of checking the tundish for the PRV discharge. And for minimal outlay, you can charge for the upgrade and make even more profit. That's a win-win-win. So let's look at the next way to increase your profits on a slightly different type of installation.